The elimination of the bottom six contestants in the reality show Bigg Boss 15 appears to have started with Simba Nagpal's name doing the rounds for being the first to exit the house. His elimination, however, has not been officially confirmed. In the Weekend Cover episode, the show's superstar host Salman Khan had announced that only the top 5 contestants will move ahead and the rest will be eliminated from the show. The bottom 6 contestants are Simba Nagpal, Rajiv Adatia, Neha Bhasin, Vishal Kotian, Jai Bhanushali and Umar Riaz. Simba Nagpal had become the VIP member just recently after edging out, not contributing much to the show, and he was targeted by Afsana Khan for breaking the rules of the house and pushing Umar Riaz into the pool. Recent episodes also saw Simba choosing Nishant Bhatt over Karan Kundra and disqualifying the latter for cheating in the game. The recent episode of Bigg Boss 15 saw the media targeting Tejasvi Prakash and asking her straightforward questions. She was also targeted on getting emotional every time or doing drama whenever she does something wrong. On the other hand, Jai Bhanushali was asked about the overconfidence that reflects in his game and he tried to defend himself by sharing his approach. Vishal Kotian jumped and made a sarcastic remark on Jai, resulting in a heated argument between them. Meanwhile, the 3 wildcard entries including Rashmi Desai, Devolina Bhattacharjee and Abhijit Bhijkule also answered the questions asked by the media virtually. Devolina shared her take on Shamita Shetty, saying that she has her own individuality in the game, but Shamita's identity is linked with her sister Shilpa Shetty. Abhijit was asked about his defeat in Bigg Boss Marathi, to which he replied that he has come on the show to make connections with viewers across the nation as he aims to become the Prime Minister of this country, and the show will definitely help him achieve this. Later, Jai Bhanushali and Vishal Kotian's verbal spat continued in the Bigg Boss house. Jai and Vishal pushed each other and the housemates intervened to end the fight. Bigg Boss 15 airs on Colors. Well, this season of Bigg Boss is getting interesting day by day. Audience is witnessing plenty of drama entertainment in the BB house.